plantation. So if you're in Nigeria or anywhere around the world, then this is my plantation. Taking care of my plants. This is spinach, yeah, spinach. And it's not every time that you have to go to the, what do you call it? It's not every time that you have to go to the market to buy some veggies, yeah. Sometimes it's just plant them at your backyard and then you're good to go. So like this one, this is okra. Yeah. This is curry. I did a transplant and it's almost dying, so I have to do this so that I can be able to get them back to life. This is curry. This one was transplanted when it rained, so it's still strong. But I was hoping that rain will come. The rain did not come, so I have to water it. Yeah, look at it. Some of them that are almost dying. They're almost dying, and I have to bring them back to life. They're almost dying. This one is okay. So they're almost dying. Even this one is almost dying. And I have to bring them back to life. You know, you have to be taking care of this thing like every day. If not, you're going to lose everything you worked for. So I have to, I want to heap the sand, yeah, so it will be able to cover. Yeah. So taking care of my plantation. This is potato. This is potato. Yeah. Look how fresh it's looking. Very fresh. This is another potato. Very fresh. So well, some of them I don't know their name in English, so sorry if I don't call the names. Yeah. If I don't call the name, I'm just sorry. Because some of them I don't know their English name. So I can call them with the local name, yeah. But this is okra. So anybody watching this thing, I will encourage you to plant it at your backyard. Plant it and then take care of it. At least this will save you some money, you know. There are some insects that are disturbing this. You see? So this one, what I will do, I have to cut it off because some of those insects they're dangerous, so I have to cut it off. And then, guys, let me know where you're watching from. I have to cut it for, and so that I will have to plant. I'm not going to throw it away, because if I open it now, you see the insects that is inside. Yeah, if you look very well, there's an insect that is inside. If you look, can you see it? Look at how it's struggling. Look at it. That's it. Can you see it? So I need to get something that will help me to do away with those insects, because they're killing it. So if I don't do something, they will just spread everywhere. So for now, what I do, I cut it. I'll just cut those ones and free it. Sorry, I'm still going to fetch water to water them. Like this is Aishwe. This is Aishwe. This is okra, and I have a TV. Can you see? This is spinach. Yeah, they call this one spinach, fresh. I brought this in all the way from Benue to Lagos, so that I don't have to go and be buying all those things. This is a TV. Yoruba will call it a wedu. This is original wedu. This one is direct from Benue State, original. So this is a complete mini farm, and I'll still have to go and fetch more water to. Can't you see how fresh it is? So I'll fetch water to water the place more. You know, it's good to have a farm. Yeah. Let me turn this camera so that people can see my face. All right. So this is me. Yeah, me, your farmer. Yeah, so I'll fetch water to go and water it more, at least to give it that life, because we've been waiting for rain since then. It's not raining. For how long are we going to wait? So because of that, I have to just to fetch water and then take care of my plants. And what I'm doing now, I'm fetching water. So you just exercise a little patience. We'll soon go to the farm where we'll see everything. Yeah, guys, comment, share. Please comment, share, subscribe, and then even if you want to be part of the farming system, I will teach you what to do and what not to do. It's very important. I will teach you what to do and what not to do. All right, let's go. So I've carried my water. I'm going down to where my mini plantation. Yeah, I love it. So if anybody that knows what I can do to get those insects out away from my farm, I will appreciate, because you see, this spinach is very, 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 very sweet. Hey, what I mean is sweet. You can eat it with noodles. You can use this to cook noodles, cook rice, even cook soup, like cook stew, good stew. Yeah, you can use it to do that. But a lot of us, we don't know. Can't you see? Now, what is here now? If I cut this now, I'll be able to sell it and make some money. I cut this one, cut. I think I can get 200 or 500. What you are seeing here only. So it's business, man. It's business, y'all. So you see potato, and the curry is everywhere because we really need this curry, you know. And even if you don't have a land like this, maybe if you don't have this kind of space, yeah, you can get a rubber, just a rubber, then you can plant your veggies, a bit vegetable. You can plant them inside, and then you can start eating them. Some of them, they don't take space like that, so just use for a vase, yeah, like flower vase. Then as you have the flowers in your house, this thing can serve as your flower, and they can still serve as your veggies, you know. It's very important. So you see, this is curry, fresh curry. Can you see how fresh it is? Something like this you can buy in the market and spend a lot of money, man. But coming here, I don't have to buy. Just those ones they're just coming up. This is another curry that are just coming up. Curry and ewedu and okra. This is what we have here. Yeah. Yeah, so and here we are planting, this is water leaf, but it's still coming up. So when it comes up, you see the beauty of this small plantation. As for me, I'm happy that I have something like this. At least I will save my money. This one, it was transplant that I did. So I will show you where we started this thing. Yeah. Can't you see how fresh it is? This is original. Original, no fake. So I encourage you to, even at the back of your house, at your back, can use your balcony. Okay, like this is where we planted those scent leaf and curry. We planted them here. When they grew up, we just transplanted them to this place. So I'll still show you curry. No, it's not curry. Scent leaf and tomatoes. So I will show you what we do normally. So, if you can see, this is where we planted everything. And the one you see here, this is scent leaf. Yeah, this is scent leaf. So with time, we are going to transplant them to take them to the other side and then plant them. And see, this is another one. This is tomatoes here. These are tomatoes. What you are seeing here is tomatoes. So from here, we'll transplant them. Once it's rain, the ground will be soft, so we have to remove it and then take them to the other side and then plant them. Then from there, they will grow up. So basically, this is what we do at home. because imagine this thing grows up now. I will not be buying tomatoes or pepper again. Well, we've not planted pepper, but we're looking forward to do that very soon. So now, this thing that they call scent leaf, it takes time before it grows. Yeah, I planted this scent leaf the same time with the spinach and the wedu and the shui type. So all those things, I planted them the same time, and what happened? The spinach has grown to a level, and this thing, what do you call it? The scent leaf is still yet to grow up. So I don't know why it's like that. Good evening. Well done. So I don't know why it's like that. I don't know why it's delaying. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully tomorrow we'll still do the same thing, and you will see. From us to you, we are saying good night. But I will. It would be nice if you plant something around your house. Yeah, it's nice because when you do that, you'll be able to. Sometimes you don't feel like going to the market. Then imagine you just coming to your backyard or at your balcony, then getting some veggies that you need to use to do whatever you want to do. So this took like I think 6 weeks. Yeah, no, 6 weeks is too much. I think 4 weeks. Yeah, it was like 4 weeks. So you can decide to plant your stuff here like this and then leave it. You can plant it and leave it. I can plant 2, 3, 4 and then leave them. It'll be here like this. So this is my farm. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. God bless you. I have to go back inside. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you, Regina, for your comments. Okay, let me end it where it's on these plants. I can give it that.